How do you say check please in French? The phrase check please in French is l'addition s'il vous plaît. L'addition s'il vous plaît. The word l'addition means the check or the bill. For example, le garçon m'a donné l'addition. Le garçon m'a donné l'addition. The waiter gave me the bill. Pourriez-vous m'apporter l'addition s'il vous plaît? Pourriez-vous m'apporter l'addition s'il vous plaît? Could you bring me the bill, please? So, l'addition means the check or the bill in French. If you want to learn to speak French, you can get my course 3-Minute French by going to www.3minlanguages.com. And if you use the code WELCOME on checkout, you can get a discount. Rooted in meaning. L'addition literally means the addition or the adding up. So the bill in French is basically the adding up of everything you've purchased. L'addition.